Holiday associated with him are a tapestry of legend, Christian martyrdom, and evolving cultural traditions. While the exact historical details are often obscured by time, the story of Valentine's Day reflects a blend of religious reverence, ancient rituals, and romantic customs. The Catholic Church recognizes at least 2, possibly 3, martyred saints named Valentine, or Valentinus, from the 3rd century CE, though their histories are intertwined and often conflated. Valentine of Rome, a priest in Rome during the reign of Emperor Claudius II, was known to defy a ban on marriages for young soldiers. Valentine of Rome reportedly healed a jailer's blind daughter before his execution, leaving a note signed "Your Valentine." Valentine of Terni, a bishop from Interamna, was said to have been martyred for converting Romans to Christianity. Scholars debate whether these figures were separate individuals. By the 5th century, their cults had merged, and their martyrdom was commemorated on February 14th. In 496 CE, Pope Gelasius I declared February 14th as the feast of Saint Valentine, likely to replace the pagan festival of Lupercalia, a Roman fertility ritual. During the Middle Ages, the association of Valentine's Day with romantic love was popularized by Geoffrey Chaucer's poem Parliament of Fowls. The oldest surviving Valentine was written by Charles, Duke of Orleans, in 1415. By the 18th and 19th centuries, Valentine's Day evolved into a commercial holiday with printed cards and symbols such as Cupid and hearts becoming staples. Globally, the holiday has taken on various forms, such as in Japan, where women give chocolates to men, and in Finland, where the day celebrates friendship. While criticism exists over its commercialization, Valentine's Day remains a testament to love's enduring power across centuries, blending martyrdom, myth, and the universal language of the heart.